Hi. So here's something that my dad taught me. This is for homeowners or apartment dwellers, and that is to be prepared to fix electrical stuff. So to make your life easy when anything electrical goes wrong or needs repaired or upgraded, here's what you do. Do it early on in your life. Come take a look. Get yourself a fishing tackle box and put yourself together an electrical kit. This is my electrical kit. You can see how long I've had it. It's dirty. But in here, I have everything I need to do basic repairs. Now, this is automotive and home, so there's some things here that won't apply to both. But, I've got all these connectors, different sizes, plug-ins, screws, components, stuff like that. But this is the beauty of it. Okay, see all these different wire nuts are used for homeowners. Is then down here you have all your tools. And they always stay in here. So no matter what, this does not end up in my garage. It does not end up into my car. These tools that are so good. And you can buy your nice quality tools and keep them in here. Okay, so if you have a kit, then when something goes wrong, you just grab your kit and go fix it, right? And this will cover most of your stuff. So here's my multimeter. Screwdriver, you always need screwdriver. Electrical tape, testers. I know these are always in here. And these are testers to plug in and see if your GFCI is working. Wire crimpers. All your basic tools that you're going to need. Today, what spurred this is my GFCI in my bathroom failed, and I'm pretty sure it just needs replaced, but I'm going to check it out. So I've turned the electricity off, but see, I've got everything I need. Now, I may need more, like obviously this. I went to the hardware store and bought a new one, but you get the idea. So put yourself together a kit, and then you have it. It's your electrical kit for the rest of your life. You'll have that. And then you replenish the supplies as you run out or whatever, add new tools in there, little jumper wires, testers, things like that. Great advice. I've had that since I was like in my early 20s, and now I'm in my early 50s. Okay? Make your life easy.